Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to unlock the KAR98 in Warzone, or in Rebirth, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to weapons. From weapons you're going to click your loadout, go to whatever guns. I think you're going to go to marksman rifles, and it's going to be the first one right here, KAR98. And then you can go ahead and see that it is locked, because I'm pretty sure you can only unlock it through the battle pass. Yeah, but it's a free weapon, so you just have to get to this tier. I think, what tier is this? I'm not sure what tier this is, but I don't think it's like a high tier. Oh yeah, it's literally, I don't know, but it's not like a tier that's like too like high up. But you might also, like, if you click on square, like gunsmith, wait, let me go back. Or sorry, if you click on X armory, and then you go to available blueprints. As you can see, I have a blueprint right now. I don't know how I got it, but I do have it. Oh, actually, never mind. It's from the bundle. But yeah, you can get these two from the bundles as well if you don't want to like go through the process of ranking up the battle pass. But yeah, that is how you unlock the KAR98. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.